Property Meld gives you better maintenance with less headaches. Think of us like a pizza tracker for property maintenance. But where most maintenance solutions leave you guessing after a work order is scheduled, Property Meld gives you visibility into every step of the process, so you know exactly what's happening and when. Most all-in-one solutions offer basic maintenance coordination, often overshadowed by other features, but Property Meld is a powerful, dedicated maintenance platform. So how does Property Meld work? When a resident submits a maintenance request in Property Meld, automated triaging determines if the issue can be self-resolved. 1 in 8 usually are. Those that can't be resolved are instantly sent over to your team of property managers and maintenance coordinators to assign the best vendor or technician for the job. Once the technician or vendor has accepted the work, maintenance is scheduled based on what works best for your team and your resident. Job details, including photos and videos from the resident, are supplied to the vendor or technician, and if clarification is needed at any point during the work order, all parties have access to multi-channel communication to guarantee that the right people are getting the right info. Most work orders are completed without a hitch, but we know that this is not always the case. So for those that require additional hoops to jump through, Property Meld provides you with powerful data from the over 7 million work orders that have been completed through our system. So with a powerful process taking care of 90% of the work, you can step back and monitor your complete maintenance control panel, watching for the hangups that otherwise would go completely undetected until it was too late. See for yourself why Property Meld is North America's #1 property maintenance solution. With maintenance, you control.